All right, good morning, everybody. This is Nate Bear, lead technical tactician for Monument Traders Alliance and Trade of the Day. And in today's video, just kind of want to go over the S&P 500, and then I've got a chart that I want to show you that I think is looking good. So let's start by going over the S&P. It's interesting. We just sort of keep grinding our way higher, heading towards this all-time high. It feels kind of like the markets are almost on pause today, or have been actually for the last couple of weeks. They've just been. We've gotten so accustomed to the volatility in this like tight range, chop feels like so sluggish, right? I mean, really, the markets aren't doing anything wrong. They're just consolidating under all-time highs, but it has felt like pulling teeth trying to get the market to move recently. I think that is probably closer to an end than not. We'll see. Maybe the market's waiting on news out of London regarding the trade talks between the U.S. and China. I don't know, but we've also got CPI tomorrow. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But the Q is sort of the same thing here. And check this out. We're just right up underneath all-time highs, and the Qs. Actually, the 78-minute chart on the Qs look fantastic. I mean, this is a bullish setup all day long for a break over this 533 area and a push into new lifetime highs. I think this chart looks phenomenal. So it's just sort of like a bunch of hurry up and wait. I don't see anything here that makes me want to get bearish, but at the same time, it's just sort of being patient right now. Okay. The chart that I want to show you guys is HIMS. This is a beautiful daily chart. Full disclosure, I've got a position in this thing, but we've got a name with a high short float. Let me see where we're at with the short float currently on HIMS is 31%, which is extremely high. We've got this big, beautiful sort of cup and handle pattern on the daily chart, and we've got a daily squeeze. So what I'm going to suggest on HIMS is going all the way out into July. And again, full disclosure, I bought some of these this morning. That's how much I like this chart. But I'm going all the way out into July and picking up these $55 calls. So I'm not going to mess around with trying to time it. I'm not going to get, hyper extended on short-dated options or something like that. I'm going to go out, 30 days, 38 days, pick up some of these, in the money, Delta 60 calls, and I want to add to sort of this position. But that's the idea. And then with this chart, I would say we stop on a close under 52. So if we kind of break below this pattern, we stop out. And then targets are actually going to be up here, new lifetime high. So let me mark that. This, right here is the all-time high. And text all-time high. And that is going to be my target. Okay. So anyway, that's the plan using the July 18th $55 calls. Entry, around 55, 56, 57, somewhere in through here. Makes a lot of sense. And then ideally we get a momentum shift here on the daily squeeze, and we can pile in even bigger into that position. Okay. So that's what I've got for today. I hope it helps, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Later.